Are you ever just super unmotivated? Like you just don't really want to do anything? Today, I've been pretty unmotivated to get work done. It's like you want to do something, but you can't get yourself to do anything. But it got me thinking, what makes me motivated in the first place? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. My name's Cal Dermody. I also struggle with being unmotivated sometimes. I procrastinate. I end up not doing anything all day, even though I really wish that I was doing something. When I get like this, I kind of have a list of things that I do to try to prevent this from happening. I wanted to share it with you guys. So without further ado, here we go. 5 things that motivate me every day. Number 1, exercise. I would have to argue that exercise is probably the most important thing that gets me motivated on a daily. So after I get done exercising, it starts to release that good feeling drug in your head, serotonin. If you don't have serotonin, you really can't get through the day. That's essential for creativity and focus. Without being creative and staying focused, you're not really gonna get a lot done in a day. Even just 30 minutes, I still feel such a great mind workout that I really feel motivated to get something else done for the day. Number 2, cleaning. The second thing that motivates me really well is cleaning. Now, I know cleaning itself isn't that fun, obviously it can be really boring, but the result of cleaning is what helps me get motivated. So obviously when you have a dirty workspace, you don't know where any of your things are. If you need to go grab a piece of paper, you don't know where it is. You need to know where your tools are when you need to use them, and if you don't know where your tools are, you are much less efficient. I think having a clean workspace is one of the key fundamental things to staying motivated. Number 3, music. Something that helps me a ton on motivation getting through the day is listening to music. That main character mentality when you're walking through Walmart and it feels like you're just like the only person there. When I'm working out, I listen to EDM. It's fast paced, it gets me hyped up. Now when I'm studying, I try to listen to either techno or I listen to lo-fi beats. You don't want to have lyrics that you're listening to the whole time because it might distract you from focusing on what your brain's saying. Number 4, watching others. Something that motivates me a ton is watching other people do what I want to do. So when I watch like a TikTok or a YouTube video of somebody, for example, working out in the gym or making music, it automatically makes me want to go do what they're doing because it makes me feel like I'm missing out on doing that. Obviously, comparison can be the thief of joy, and you don't want to compare yourself to somebody every day because it might make you kind of judge yourself too hard. But, you need to compare yourself to the hard work that other people in your field are doing. And by watching other people do what you want to do, it really gives you some way to kind of compare yourself and set a goal for yourself compared to other people who are successful at that. Number 5, friends. Friends' reinforcements can help support foundational beliefs for why you're doing what you're doing. That's kind of like having a castle and you need reinforcements behind it. You need to have people who will back you up even when you can't back yourself up. And I think that having friends who are kind of doing similar things can really help draw you to get more motivated to do that craft. That's like how musicians work with other musicians every day, or how an NFL player is in a locker room full of other NFL players. They're not hanging out with a bunch of guys who just sit around all day and drink Diet Coke. They're hanging out with other people who work, live, eat, and sleep football. I think that's really a key fundamental thing as well, is being around people who are doing similar things to what you're doing, which kind of falls back to that last category, number 4, how you want to watch people do what you want to do. It's the same with your friends. You want to be around people that are doing what you want to be doing. I think that that's a very motivational factor. Obviously, there's a ton of things out there that motivate people, and these just happen to be the things that motivate me, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Staying motivated and working at something every day is the key to success at life. So I think, it's good to try to push that on people and try to help people get through it. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.